Have you ever met someone, and within seconds you felt an instant, effortless connection? Most people think it's luck or chemistry. But what if I told you that feeling, that instant magnetic attraction, is not an accident? It's a psychological trigger you can consciously activate. Forget pickup lines and forced confidence. The real secret to instant attraction is bypassing the logical mind and speaking directly to a person's subconscious. There is one subtle, nonverbal trick that makes anyone feel instantly comfortable, instantly safe, and instantly drawn to you. Psychologists call this the chameleon effect, or mirroring. In a landmark 1999 study from New York University, researchers found that when one person subtly mimics another's behavior, their posture, their gestures, their facial expressions, the other person unconsciously perceives them as more likable, trustworthy, and empathetic. This isn't about being a copycat. It's a biological handshake that whispers, "We are the same. You are safe with me." This is the mechanism the most charismatic people on Earth use. The reason you feel instantly drawn to a great leader or a captivating date. Here is the step-by-step formula for how to use the chameleon effect in your next interaction, starting with phase 1, the posture match. Rule 1, never mirror in real time. That looks like mockery. Wait 4 to 6 seconds after they shift before you make a subtle, small change to your own body. If they lean in, wait, then gently shift your own weight. If they cross their legs, wait, then cross your arms. The goal is to match their basic energy, open, closed, relaxed, or tense, not their exact movements. This signals to their subconscious, "I am in sync with your experience." It's the psychological equivalent of an emotional exhale. Do this for the first 60 seconds of any interaction and watch how their energy relaxes into the conversation. The power? This creates a subconscious sense of harmony. The brain prefers what is familiar, and in this moment, you are making your presence feel familiar, safe, and positive. Phase 2 is the tempo and tone match. Once the posture is established, move to their vocal rhythm. If they're speaking slowly, taking deliberate pauses, you should do the same. If their tone is high energy, don't be monotone. If they're talking quietly, don't project loudly. Match the volume, the pitch, and the pacing of their voice. This is the difference between simply being heard and being understood. We feel the deepest connection with people who seem to be vibrating at the same frequency as us. When you match their tempo, you are telling their entire nervous system, "I see you. I get your pace. You don't have to work to be around me." Emotional trigger. The deepest form of attraction is feeling profoundly seen. When you match their tone, they feel psychologically naked but safe, like you understand the rhythm of their inner world. This is the stage where the word attraction shifts from interest to genuine desire for proximity. Phase 3 is the gesture echo. This is the most advanced trick, the one that creates an instant bond. For one and only one small, unconscious gesture, like them briefly touching their ear, adjusting their collar, or making a certain hand motion, wait 10 seconds, and then subtly incorporate that exact gesture into your own speech. The timing is crucial. Example, they talk and briefly run a hand through their hair. You wait 10 seconds, you deliver your response, and then as you finish your thought, you briefly run a hand through your hair. Because the gesture was unconscious for them, they will never realize you did it. But their subconscious registers a moment of perfect, subtle harmony, a feeling of absolute unbreakable rapport. This final, specific echo is what takes a conversation from friendly to magnetic. This is the power of the chameleon effect. It works because the greatest human need isn't to be complimented, it's to be understood. You are using the silent language of the body to send a single powerful message: "I understand you." This kind of deep, subconscious rapport is what people mistake for instant chemistry. It's not a trick to deceive. It's a technique to connect more deeply than 99% of people ever will. Remember, Phase 1 is the posture match for comfort. Phase 2 is the tempo match for understanding. And Phase 3 is the gesture echo for that instant magnetic rapport. Stop trying to impress people with loud words and forced energy. Focus on making them feel seen. The fastest way to become the person they are drawn to is to make them feel perfectly, beautifully at ease with themselves when they are in your presence. That is the single most powerful psychological trick for instant attraction. If you want more videos that decode the hidden language of human behavior and psychology, hit the subscribe button right now. The next video will be on the 3 words that instantly command respect, and you won't want to miss it.